In Telangana, the Congress government has decided to approach the High Court seeking a probe into the menace of AI-generated images and also videos. Revanth Reddy government to appeal to the court, in fact seeking an order to probe creation of fake content using AI to mislead society and also obstruct governance after fake videos and images were created using AI. These were the videos that were shared by social media and influencers and politicians. That's what the government has claimed, and that created an impression that the government seized the land of Hyderabad Central University. These are claims made by the state government there, Congress-led government in Telangana. This is what the CMO's office has also stated.
Telangana government has been on the back foot after the comments that were made by the High Court, which had initially given a stay on the tree felling at Kanche Gachibowli, and subsequently, as we know, as we have been reporting, the Supreme Court had given a very scathing kind of comments after getting a report from the Telangana High Court registrar on the activities on the Kanche Gachibowli, which is adjunct to the University of Hyderabad, where the Telangana government was to develop an IT park. So now, what the Telangana government did today was that the High Court was to hear the PILs. They had given the date for April 7, and the reply was to be filed by the government. And what the government did is that it sought permission either for a judicial probe, or they said they want permission to prosecute all those who participated knowingly or unknowingly, wittingly or unwittingly in spreading AI-based false narratives that includes audio, video, as well as images that may have been there. And this includes those who simply shared misleading content deliberately or not, and pushed the fake narratives. That's what the government has said, and they are naming one social media influencer, Dhruv Rathi, who had named in this case Union Minister Mr. Kishan Reddy, former BRS Minister Jagdish Reddy, John Abraham, Dia Mirza, Ravina Tandon, Prakash Raj. All of these people, now the government wants to prosecute, and they sought the court permission. I had asked a source in the government about why they need the court's permission, because they can go ahead. They said no, they have sought the court permission, and they claim that they now have a go-ahead from the government, which says to probe the entire issue. Of course, the matter is to next come up in court on the 24th of April, but the irony that one sees in this is for Mr. Dhruv Rathi and others who may have been in the past seen as pro-Congress, now being booked with cases on this Kanche Gachibowli issue. Back to you.